Good morning, student. Today we are going to do the chapter of median. Already we have earlier we have done the chapter of mean. So today median is a middle value in the series. Okay, so median may be defined as the middle value in the data when its elements are arranged in a sequential order in either ascending or descending order. So median क्या है? Median एक middle value है. Suppose the series is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is over there. Okay, so it has been written, if you will see the mid value over here, अगर हम ऊपर की दो वैल्यू छोड़ दें और नीचे की दो वैल्यू छोड़ दें तो मिडल वैल्यू दिस इज इन मिड, सो दिस इज द median. Okay, so arrange in a sequential order. Yes, in a median it's important that whether you are showing your data in ascending or descending order. या तो आप उसको ascending order में शो करेंगे या फिर आप उसको इस तरीके से शो करेंगे. Okay, so whether it in ascending or descending order. Exactly what is the features of median? It is always concentrated on the middle. अगर आप देखेंगे तो median जो है वो हमेशा mid में होता है. Okay, and it divides the distribution in two parts. अगर आप यहाँ देखें तो it divides the distribution two parts, first half and second half. Okay, so first part it is always less than or equal to middle value. अगर आप देखें 6 is the median over here. Okay, so over here that is less than, these two value are less than or it could be equal to 6 and the other part comprises on value greater than or equal to it. या तो यहाँ 6 आ सकता था, otherwise that is अगर आप देखें तो that is greater than 6. 8 and 10 is greater than 6. Okay, so median, if you will see here the lesser value over here and the higher value. Okay, so median is in between. नेक्स्ट इज पोजिशनल एवरेज. पोजिशनल एवरेज एग्जैक्टली पोजिशन बताता है कि इफ़ देर इज़ अ सीरीज एंड इन दिस सीरीज व्हाट इज़ द पोजिशन. अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, सो 4 लेफ्ट हेयर, 4 लेफ्ट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. सो मीडियन ये पोजिशन बता रहा है कि फिफ्थ इज़ द पोजिशन ओवर हेयर and it is less affected by the extreme item of the series. अगर extreme item है okay series में ज़्यादा बड़ी value है तो उससे least affected होता है. Median is also called positional average and mean is also called mathematical average. Okay, so we are going to do the numericals for the same computation of median. Already I have discussed about the individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Students, this must be clear to you. Until or unless it is not clear to you, आपको ये नहीं पता लगेगा कि which formula is applicable for the same. अगर individual series है so x is given, discrete series x and frequency both are given, and in continuous series x and f are given but it is in a class interval. Okay, so individual series, what are the steps to be followed to do the numerical of individual series? Arrange the data in ascending or descending order. अगर आपको individual series दी हुई है मतलब if x is given only, okay, so if x is given only तो आप सबसे पहले अपने डाटा को ascending और descending order में करेंगे and then you are going to apply the formula and the formula is n plus 1 by 2. Okay, let us see one sum. Marks of 5 students are 42, 40, 60, 55, 50. Calculate the median. अगर आप देखो तो यहाँ पर डाटा जो है that is not in a sequence, neither it in ascending order nor it in a descending order. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, we are going to do in a write it in a ascending order. Okay, as I have written it on a ascending order. आप descending में लिखिए या ascending में लिखिए, that is your choice. I have written in a ascending order. Okay, so number n is number of item. If you will see how many item are here, 1 2 3 4 5. So we have a n number of item means 5 number of item plus 1 divided by 2. Is it clear? Number of item 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So by dividing it I am getting the size of third item. So let it see over here, 1 2 3, third item is 50. So median is going to be 50. So this is going to be our answer. This is 50. Okay, so 50 marks जो है that is the answer. Okay, next even number series. Okay, अगर same numerical I have picked it up. Okay, over here even number series are there. Even number series अगर आप देखें तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers are over here. Let it check it over here. So what we'll do, n plus 1 by 2. N is 6 plus 1 divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2, it's coming 3.5. So we are getting the size is of 3.5 fifth item. अब 3.5 में प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि आप थर्ड आइटम लेंगे या फोर्थ आइटम लेंगे. सो टू सॉल्व दिस व्हाट वी डू, साइज ऑफ थर्ड आइटम प्लस साइज ऑफ फोर्थ आइटम, it is divided by 2. So size of third item अगर आप देखें तो what is this, 50. Size of fourth item is 55 divided by 2. So this is 52.5 is the right answer for the same. कि आपका जो मीडियन है that is in between, ना तो वो 50 है, neither it is 50 nor it is 55, it is in between. in between मतलब 52.5. ठीक है, क्लियर है. सपोज अगर आपका आंसर आता 6.5, सो सिक्स्थ आइटम प्लस सेवेंथ आइटम डिवाइडेड बाय 2. Suppose it would be 8.5, then 8th item plus 9th item divided by 2. So clear? Is it clear to you? Okay. So by this way you are going to solve the sum of median in a individual series. Now see the discrete series. Okay. Discrete series are those in which x and frequency are both are given. So step 1, arrange frequency. Firstly arrange the frequency, and then step 2, denote vary as x and frequency as f. जो भी आपके वेरिएबल होंगे उसे x देंगे और फ्रीक्वेंसी को f देंगे. कैलकुलेट कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी मतलब आप उसको ऐड ऑन करते जाएंगे फ्रीक्वेंसी को, एंड यू विल गेट CF. एंड लास्ट स्टेप इज फाइंड मीडियन. ओके, लेट चेक इट आउट हाउ टू डू दिस सम. Okay, so in this sum size is given over here, x is given over here, frequency is also given here. ठीक है, अब हमने सबसे हमारा जो थर्ड स्टेप है वो है CF. अब CF कैसे निकालेंगे, 2 in front of I will write 2. 2 plus 1, this is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 13 plus 4, 17. Is it clear? Okay, what I have done, that is अगर आपको 5 4 3 is given frequency, तो आप cumulative frequency कैसे निकालेंगे, आप इसको 5 plus 4 इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, 9. what your answer is 9 में प्लस कर देंगे 3. So by this way you will get 12. ओके, जस्ट कीप इट इन योर माइंड. और बहुत ईजी है, आप इसका टोटल करके देखिए. टोटल आपका कितना आएगा, दैट इज EF इज इक्वल टू 17. तो अगर आपकी लास्ट CF, ओके, द टोटल ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड द लास्ट कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम है, तो इसका मतलब योर कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी इज राइट. अगर आपका यहाँ 18 आ जाता तो इसका मतलब आपने कहीं कैलकुलेशन में गलती की है. ठीक है. So again the formula is same, n plus 1 by 2, n is 17 plus by 2, 18 by 2 and 9th item. I got the size of 9th item. अब now अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे, x में से चेक कर रहे थे. Now here the frequency, so we are going to check it from the cumulative frequency. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स जो है छोटी छोटी गलती कर देते हैं because they forgot from where to check it out. अब it's a size of 9th item. In this numerical it is clear कि 9th item तो है ही नहीं है, so we have to check it from CF. But every time you are supposed to check it from CF, not from F. आप मीडियन CF से चेक करेंगे, F से नहीं चेक करेंगे. So size of 9th item, let it see 6, it is ending over here 6. तो 13 जो है, 13 in front of 13. Okay, so what is this, x is 6. So are you getting 9th item, आप देखेंगे 9th item कहाँ पर लाई करेगी, यहाँ पर, not in 6 क्योंकि 6 पे ख़त्म हो गया, तो it will be lie in 13. in front of 13 x is over there, so your answer would be 6. Okay, is it clear? I'm repeating it again, students. if you are getting the answer is 10, okay, so 2 3 6 13 17, CF frequency x 3 4 5, because to solve this there is no need of frequency, तो मैं frequency नहीं लिख रही हूँ. ओके, सपोज आपका आंसर आ जाता है दैट इज सपोज इट इज़ 5, नॉट इंस्टेड ऑफ 10, सपोज 5 आ जाता है, तो वेयर 5 विल लाई, यहाँ पर, एंड वी विल चेक द मीडियन इज ओवर हेयर. सो द आंसर इज 5, नॉट बिकॉज दिस इज 5, बिकॉज इट्स लाइंग ओवर हेयर, यहाँ पर लाई कर रहा है. ओके, आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.